Safety Risk Management Coach exists to help aviation organizations bring their safety management system to the next level. In this segment, I would like to ask the question, is the SMS in your organization working? Safety management systems have been made mandatory for many years now, and they will extend to almost every organization in the aviation industry. Up till now, many authorities have been learning themselves about safety management systems, and they've been evaluating if you've implemented the system itself. However, having a system is not the purpose of SMS. The purpose of SMS is to improve your safety performance. This is where I would like to explain with this segment what the difference between SMS and safety performance is. Some of the basic assumptions we have in our industry about safety management systems. We've built a great toolbox, and that toolbox is now mandatory. Safety management systems provide data, they give training, they do analysis, they give us a safety mission, strategy, feedback and all that, which is in theory a great improvement from what we had before. However, the assumption is that having the SMS by itself is enough to improve safety. The authorities, when they come and audit you, they look at all these attributes of the safety management system and see, is it there? Is it fit for your purpose, the scale and complexity of your organization? But that almost implicitly assumes that all these things are actually influencing the way your organization works. The SMS is a tool, and as we all know, a tool is meant to do a job. It's meant to be used. Very much like exercise equipment, tools are only useful if you use them. You can buy the best exercise equipment in the world. You can have the best safety management system in the world. If you just use it to hang your clothes, so to speak, it's not going to make you any safer. If you don't use the tool to influence the basic decision making going on in your organization, the safety management system is generating lots and lots of data, but which isn't connected to any tangible result or improvement. And that improvement should be better safety performance. So in essence, what we've built is a bureaucracy. This is something that will surprise many organizations which think to have a safety management system, but which now more and more in the near future will have to show the authorities that their system is operating and effective. Before, the authorities were figuring things out for themselves, and they were looking at, is the SMS that is in place present and suitable? Great. Do you have databases? Are people reporting? Are you having all the safety meetings? That's great if you could present that was accepted as proof that you were implementing the safety management system. However, it's clear that in the next phase you will have to show results in operating an effective SMS, which means that actually things are changing. This is best summed up by Bill Voss from the Flight Safety Foundation. The basic purpose of a safety management system is nothing more than to allocate resources to reduce risk. If you have a functioning SMS, you have to be able to answer 4 basic questions about risk in your organization. First question is, what is most likely going to cause your next accident and incident? Second question, how do you know that that is the case? Number 3, what are you doing about this? That's the most important question, where a lot of organizations can't come up with a convincing answer. And number 4, is it working, what you are doing about it? So in other words, where a lot of organizations limit their interventions to yet another email or an instruction or a new checklist, they will have to demonstrate that those actions are actually working to reduce risk. If that's not the case, in the very near future, your safety management system might be found wanting by your next authority audit. You can find very good information in the SM ICG tool. It's the Safety Management International Collaboration Group, where a lot of the major forward-thinking authorities in the world are participating in the thinking about how to evaluate SMS. Below in this video you will find a link to the latest form, which will help you to evaluate your own system.